So the first question is, how could the whole of this shape look if this equilateral triangle was half of the figure? Well, if this was half of the figure, then we could put another triangle upside down, opposite, and now we would have a whole figure, the 100% of the figure. So that could be one possibility of, if this smaller triangle was 50%, what could the whole figure look like? You must find a figure that is exactly double of what you've got. Then it says, if this shaded triangle was instead a third of the whole figure, well, it could be two equilateral triangles after each other. This one would now be a third of the whole figure, and then we could take the lines away from in between, but that would be a third of the whole figure. What if it was 16 2/3? If this shaded one was the same as 16 2/3, well, we have to work out what that is as a fraction, and we should recognize now that 16 2/3 is the same as 16.66666 recurring, which is the same as 1/6, if this is the percentage. 1/6, we can work it out. 6's go into 1 0 times, leaving 1 left over. 6's go into 10 1 time, leaving 4 left over. 6's go into 40 6 times, leaving 4 left over, and now we see that we've got the pattern. So 1/6 is 0.1666, which is the same as 16.666%. Okay? So now we know that they're trying to tell us, okay, if this triangle is 1/6, how could we make a figure that's 1/6? Well, we need 6 triangles then. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We could make it like that, or we could make it that it's a triangle like this. Here is 1/6. So there's lots of different shapes. So the number of shapes you can make is it doesn't matter what the shape is, but it does matter that you get the right fraction that's shaded. Here is 1/6. Here is 1/6. Okay, so that's how you can look at solving that particular question.